Affiliate marketing myths debunked. You've probably heard a few things about affiliate marketing, like you need a huge following to make it work, or it's easy passive income from day one, or that it's just for influencers. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Most of that is complete rubbish. In this video, we're going to walk through the 7 biggest myths about affiliate marketing and completely debunk them. Whether you're just getting started or you've been sitting on the fence, this is the clarity you've been waiting for. Let's break it down. No jargon, no fluff, just real talk about what affiliate marketing actually is and what it's not. Myth number 1, you need a huge following. This is the biggest myth and one of the most damaging. People assume you need 100,000 followers or influencer status to succeed. Not true. What you really need is strategy, not popularity. A small, trusted audience will always outperform a large, disconnected one. It's not about being famous, it's about being focused. Micro audiences, niche content, smart positioning. That's how people with tiny followings earn 4, 5, even 6 figures without going viral. Myth number 2, it's passive income from day one. We all love the idea of making money while we sleep, but affiliate marketing doesn't start out that way. You've got to build something first. That might be a blog, YouTube channel, newsletter, or niche page. Once you've built a system and created evergreen content, then the passive income starts. So yes, it becomes passive, but only after consistent work and setup. Myth number 3, you must be a salesperson. A lot of people think they have to sell, pitch, and pressure. Not true. Affiliate marketing isn't about being pushy. It's about being helpful. You're not a closer. You're a guide. You say, hey, I found this useful. Maybe it can help you too. That's it. People buy from those they trust. And trust comes from honesty, not hype. Myth number 4, it's too saturated. This one stops a lot of people before they begin. They think too many people are already doing it. But most people, they dabble. They throw up a few links and give up when it doesn't work. The ones who win, they show up, learn, test, improve. There's always space for value. The internet is massive. New niches and platforms appear every day. It's not about being first. It's about being better and more consistent. Myth number 5, it's just for influencers. No, affiliate marketing isn't about looking good on camera. It's about providing value behind the scenes. Writers, reviewers, bloggers, niche nerds, quiet builders. These are the people succeeding. You don't need a selfie stick or beach backdrop. You need to understand your audience and help them find the right tools or answers. It's for thinkers, not posers. Myth number 6, it's a scam. Affiliate marketing gets a bad rep because of shady marketers, but the business model itself is rock solid. In fact, major brands like Amazon, Canva, and Shopify use it. Real affiliate marketing is built on value and trust. Scams disappear. Value scales. If you're honest, helpful, and consistent, you're playing the long game. Myth number 7, you need to be an expert. This one's a confidence killer. You do not need to be a guru or have years of experience. You just need to be one step ahead and willing to help someone else along. Be a recommender, a curator, a case study. You don't need all the answers, just the awareness of where to point people. You don't need to be the expert, just the connector. Bonus. Truth, it's not about hype. It's about help. The real pros know. Affiliate marketing isn't about viral content, crazy claims, or big launches. It's about solving problems, helping people, earning trust. That's what builds long-term income. That's what makes it sustainable. Quick recap. Let's run through the 7 myths we just debunked. Huge following, you need strategy. Passive from day one, not until you build it. Must be a salesperson. You're a guide. Too saturated. Most dabble. Few dominate. Only for influencers. It's for builders. It's a scam. Real value equals real results. Need to be an expert? Just be helpful. Now that you've had these affiliate marketing myths debunked, you've got clarity, and clarity leads to action. If this helped shift your mindset, subscribe for more straight up, no fluff content, and follow so you don't miss what's next. For guides, resources, and next steps, head to andrewplimmer.com. Thanks heaps for stopping by. I appreciate you. Wishing you an awesome day ahead. Go make it count. 2 thumbs up.